Hello friends, in this video I will show you 40 feet by 40 feet site house plan. This is the plan of house. Length is 40 feet and width also 40 feet. This is the first floor plan. This is the ground floor plan. Length is 40 feet, width also 40 feet. Facing of site is east. This is east. This is the west. This is the south. This is the north direction. In front side center, staircase is provided, which connects the upper floors. Width is 6 feet. First right step width is 2 feet 10 and a half inch, and second height width also 2 feet 10 and a half inch. In between two flights, 3-inch gap is provided for the smooth finishing of railing. In ground floor, have a 2 BHK house, and this remaining remaining portion is for the parking. Towards north, 3 feet offset is provided. Towards west, 2 feet 3 inch offset is provided. Towards south, 2 feet 6 inch offset is provided. This is the main door for the ground floor house. This is the living area of size 10 feet 10 inch by 11 feet 11 inch. This is the puja room of size 3 feet 6 inch by 4 feet 2 inch. In southeast corner have a kitchen of size 8 feet 8 inch by 7 feet 5 inch. In southwest corner have a master bedroom of size 12 feet 6 inch by 9 feet. For this master bedroom have a attached toilet of size 4 feet 6 inch by 7 feet. In northwest corner have a common toilet of size in northwest corner have a common toilet of size 7 feet by 4 feet 6 inch. This is the second bedroom of size 9 feet 6 inch by 11 feet 11 inch. Here completes the ground floor detail. Let's see upper floor details. Through the staircase we enter into first floor. In first floor have a two portion of 2 BHK houses. This is the first portion and this is the second portion. This is the main door of first portion. Here veranda of size 4 feet 3 and half inch by 11 feet 4 inch. This is the kitchen. Is provided in southeast corner of size 8 feet 3 inch by 6 feet 8 inch. In kitchen have a storeroom of size 3 feet 6 inch by 4 feet. This is the living area of size 16 feet 6 inch by 9 feet. In living area have a puja room attached to living of size 4 feet 5 inch by 4 feet. This is the master bedroom area of size 8 feet 2 inch by 9 feet 4 inch. Here have a attached toilet to master bedroom of size 4 feet 8 inch by 4 feet 6 inch. This is the Another bedroom of size 8 feet by 12 feet. For this bedroom, have a attached toilet here of size 4 feet 6 inch by 3 feet 9 inch. Here completes the details of first portion house. Let's see details of second portion house. Here have a balcony in front side of width 4 feet. This is the main door of second portion house provided towards east facing. This is the kitchen of same size 8 feet 3 inch by 6 feet 8 inch. Here have a veranda of size 4 feet 9 and a half inch by 11 feet 4 inch. This is the living area of same size of first portion house 16 feet 6 inch by 9 feet. This is the bedroom of size 8 feet 2 inch by 12 feet. For this bedroom, have a attached toilet here of size 3 feet 10 and a half inch by 4 feet 7 inch. This is the second bedroom of size 8 feet by 9 feet 3 inch. For this bedroom, have a attached toilet here of size 3 feet 9 and a half inch by 4 feet 7 inch. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to channel if you are not subscribed till yet. It motivates me for making more videos.